Crack. Crack. Magnum Ice Cream's signature crack is more than just a sound. It's a mark of quality assurance. Magnum believes in creating a premium experience with every bite, working with the finest chocolate, ice cream, and dessert experts around the world. The perfect contrast between its signature cracking chocolate and smooth, velvety ice cream is what sets Magnum apart as an icon of indulgence. Magnum ice creams are even sealed with an M stamp to show they are expertly crafted and ready to deliver superior pleasure. But what makes Magnum stand out in the world of ice cream? How has this indulgent treat evolved to become the luxury icon it is today? Magnum was created by Mogens V. Larsen in the late 1980s and went into production at the Frisco factory in Denmark in the fall of 1988. Frisco was later acquired by Unilever, the parent company behind Magnum today. In 1989, the first Magnum was officially launched in Germany, marking the beginning of a revolution in the ice cream industry. Magnum was the first handheld ice cream designed for adults, quickly becoming synonymous with indulgence, sophistication, and luxury. From there, Magnum began spreading across Europe, moving into countries like Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, Sweden, Switzerland, and eventually expanding globally. Magnum's success began with a commitment to quality. From the very start, it wasn't just another ice cream. Magnum used the finest ingredients, like premium Belgian chocolate and Madagascan vanilla, to craft a truly indulgent treat. To further solidify its status as a luxury brand, Magnum began collaborating with celebrities. In 2008, Eva Longoria, known for her elegance and charm, became the face of Magnum. Her campaign captured the essence of indulgence, with taglines like "pleasure worth every bite." She became the perfect ambassador, embodying the luxurious, refined image Magnum wanted to convey. Then came Josh Holloway, famed for his role in Lost. Magnum broke new ground by making him the first male ambassador in Turkey. His rugged, adventurous persona added a touch of masculinity, proving that indulgence isn't limited to one gender. The Magnum Gold campaign took luxury to the next level by enlisting Oscar-winning actor Benicio del Toro. Styled as a mini-heist movie, it turned Magnum into pop culture, blending entertainment and advertising seamlessly. In 2021, Magnum celebrated Dante Alighieri's 700th anniversary by partnering with Italian artist Roberto Ferri to create the Kiss of Dante and Beatrice. This collaboration elevated Magnum to the realm of fine art, showcasing the brand's commitment to creativity and culture. Magnum didn't stop at celebrities, it also set its sights on the fashion world. Magnum's collaborations with celebrities like Christian Siriano and Andrew Carmellini resulted in America's most fashionable dessert. It showed how Magnum could be part of a glamorous, fashionable lifestyle. Or partnering with fashion designers like Alexander Wang and Karl Lagerfeld brought Magnum into the elite circles of high fashion. Magnum even collaborated with Dutch fashion designer Iris van Herpen to create the world's first haute couture vegan dress made entirely from cocoa beans. Magnum also made a splash at major fashion events, showcasing its luxurious appeal. From the Independent Fashion Blogger Conference to the V Magazine Black and White Ball, Magnum became a staple at events where style and elegance are paramount. Magnum ice cream is produced in multiple locations around the world, ensuring consistency and quality across every bar. Some of the major manufacturing sites include Unilever's Gloucester facility, the world's largest ice cream manufacturer, Hellendoorn in the Netherlands, Saint-Dizier in France, and Caivano in Italy. Magnum partners with Seamrise, a leading vanilla supplier, to source the finest vanilla beans from Madagascar. The vanilla beans used in Magnum Classic come from the fertile Assava region in Madagascar. Local farmers, certified by the Rainforest Alliance, hand-pollinate each orchid flower with great care. These farmers also ensure the health of their ecosystem by planting shade trees and using organic methods to address pests. Once the beans are ripe, they're harvested by hand, bathed in hot water, and left to dry under the sun for 35 days. This process helps to develop the rich flavor that gives Magnum its signature smooth vanilla taste. After drying, the vanilla beans are cured and combined with alcohol to create a rich vanilla extract, which is blended with high-quality cream, milk, sugar to create Magnum's velvety smooth ice cream base. Now, let's talk about Magnum's other star ingredient, chocolate. Magnum sources 98% of its cocoa from Rainforest Alliance certified farms in West Africa through Unilever's main supplier, Barry Callebaut. As cocoa pods ripen, they change color from green to yellow. Skilled farmers carefully harvest the pods without damaging the plant, then ferment the beans for 8 days to enhance their fruity flavor and aroma. Once fermented, the beans are sun-dried, with farmers ensuring an even drying process by raking or even dancing on the beans to avoid any damage. The beans are then gently roasted at around 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, before being stripped from their shells. The roasted beans are crushed into cocoa paste and mixed with cocoa butter and other ingredients according to Magnum's secret recipe. Next comes the conching process, where the ingredients are mixed and refined for hours, creating the silky smooth texture and rich flavor that is synonymous with Magnum chocolate. The chocolate is now ready to coat the delicious ice cream. The frozen vanilla ice cream block in the mold is precisely machine cut to the same thickness. Then a wooden stick is inserted and dipped into the melted chocolate coating, ensuring even coverage. The dipping process is precisely controlled to ensure the chocolate sets instantly, creating the thick, solid Magnum chocolate known for its distinctive crack. Magnum uses a variety of packaging types to suit different preferences, including sticks, tubs, and multi-stick packs. The brand is committed to sustainability, and its packaging reflects that. The ice cream sticks are made from certified sustainable wood, multi-pack cartons are made from recycled paper, and Magnum was the first ice cream brand to use recycled polypropylene plastic in its tub. Over the years, Magnum has continued to innovate, delivering more special experiences. In 1992, the brand captivated ice cream lovers with new classics like Magnum White and Magnum Almond. Since then, Magnum has continuously expanded its portfolio, introducing creations such as Magnum Mini, Magnum Double Tubs, Magnum Vegan, and Magnum Bites. With its presence in over 80 countries, Magnum brings moments of pure pleasure to millions of fans worldwide. Magnum's creativity extends to limited edition varieties. For instance, Magnum Gold dazzled with its rich caramelized coating, while Magnum Ruby introduced a unique pink chocolate shell made from ruby cocoa beans. These seasonal specials and exclusive flavors keep fans eagerly anticipating the next luxurious treat. In 2024, Magnum continues to lead in mood food trend with its new Euphoria, Wonder, and Chill range. Euphoria combines lemon ice cream, a raspberry sorbet core, and a white chocolate shell with popping candy for a burst of joy. Wonder blends toffee and date ice creams, coated in golden chocolate and caramelized almonds, inspired by trending brown flavors. Chill offers a vegan delight, pairing vanilla biscuit ice cream with a blueberry sorbet core covered in vegan chocolate and cookie pieces. Each flavor delivers indulgence with a unique twist. For the ultimate Magnum experience, the brand unveiled the Magnum Pleasure Store, a unique concept that has popped up in iconic locations such as New York City, London, Stockholm, Rome, Seoul, Istanbul, Paris, Riyadh, and even Europa Park. These stores invite customers to craft their own custom Magnum bars, transforming indulgence into an art form. With toppings ranging from delicate rose petals to rich brownie chunks, tropical coconut to bold black lava salt, and a choice of white, milk, or dark chocolate drizzle, every Magnum bar becomes a one-of-a-kind masterpiece tailored to personal taste. As part of Unilever's sustainable living plan, Magnum combines indulgent pleasure with ethical practices, proving that luxury can be both delicious and responsible. Magnum isn't just ice cream. It's a celebration of life's little moments of pure bliss. So, what's your favorite Magnum? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more indulgent content. Until next time, stay cool and keep indulging.